Imagine waking up and your smart assistant has already planned your day and found the perfect outfit. It even suggests a healthy breakfast. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the future. AI is transforming the daily lives of girls and women everywhere. From virtual assistants to personalized recommendations, AI is reshaping how we interact with technology. Devices like Alexa and Google Assistant streamline tasks for busy women. Ever noticed how your favorite shopping apps know what you want? AI analyzes your behavior to provide personalized recommendations. AI is also making waves in women's health. Apps like Clue track menstrual cycles and health patterns, empowering women with valuable insights. AI is creating new job opportunities. Fields like AI development offer amazing career paths for girls interested in STEM. AI is transforming our lives, especially for women and girls, making daily tasks simpler and offering more control over health. How has AI impacted your life as a girl or woman? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the latest tech trends.